the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Google. So they have revealed Android Enterprise recommended. So I'm on Furniture.com here. So it says Google reveals Android Enterprise recommended incentive, the best Android devices for enterprise users. So this got published earlier this morning. So yeah, so let's go check this out. There's a YouTube video right there. And I'm gonna play this thing. Let's do this. So yeah, so you guys check out that video. Y'all guys didn't hear no sound because when you guys watch this back on the video, you guys will not hear any sound. But if you guys go watch this video, you guys will hear sound. So yeah, so that's what that is. So let's go check this out. It says Google today announced the Android Enterprise recommendation. Google today announced the Android Enterprise Recommended program, an incentive that aims to provide enterprise customers with quality recommendations as to what Android devices they are actually endorsed to use. Its aim is to showcase and recommend devices that not only provide a seamless and coherent experience, but are also secure and get updates frequently, so as to always provide the best software experience possible. So that's pretty cool. But what requirements does a manufacturer need to meet to have their device certified by the Android Enterprise Recommended? Well, for starters, we have some minimum hardware requirements, and those are at least 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, a 1.4 GHz chipset or faster, 64-bit architecture, battery life of at least 8 hours, 2 megapixel front-facing camera, 10 megapixel rear cameras. They don't specify either it's octa-core or whatever. It's probably octa-core probably, or quad-core. It don't say that. More importantly, devices have allowed for QR code and zero-touch enrollment methods, whereas the manufacturer has a 90-day window to deliver the latest security updates. And an unlocked version of the device also needs to be purchasable for the manufacturer directly or a third-party distributor. The full list of requirements is available right here. So I will check that out in just a second. It says so far Google has either certified or plans to certify the following phones as Android Enterprise recommended. So there's a shitload of phones here. They got the Google Pixel and the Pixel XL, the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL, Sony Xperia XZ1, Xperia XZ1 Compact, Xperia XZ Premium, Xperia XA2, Xperia XA2 Ultra, Nokia 8, Mate 10 Pro, Mate 10 Pro. Okay. Now sure why it's shown up there twice. You got Huawei P10, P10 Plus, P10 Lite, Huawei P Smart, LG V30, LG G6, Moto X4, Moto Z2, BlackBerry Key 1, BlackBerry Motion. So they got a whole list of devices there. So if you guys got any other devices, and then yeah. So I guess, how you gonna know when your phone has the Android Enterprise of a recommended program? How do you know when your phones are gonna have? Are they gonna send you an update or whatever? Let's go check out this the requirements here. So it takes us to Android Enterprise here. That's what the thing looks like. I will have the link to this in the description box. It's basically everything I just read you guys in the article there. So you guys go here, you guys will see here. 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, 1.4 GHz speed, battery life 8 hours, 2 megapixel front facing camera, 10 megapixel rear facing camera, architecture 64-bit. Enrollment methods: QR code, zero touch enrollment required Android 8.0 for the zero touch enrollment. Default system apps, work profile, contacts, download, Play Store, EMM app if bundled in the system image. Default system apps, manage devices, camera, contacts, download, Google Messages, dial the Play Store settings, EMM app if bundled in the system image. Other apps, contacts, dialer settings, standard AOSP icons and strings, use standard branding and strings, provisioning, workflow requirements, manage devices, work profile, environment, security update support, 90-day security updates, major update release support current shipping release, plus 1 letter upgrade. Unlock device availability, unlock device must be available for purchase by enterprise customers through either a third-party distributor direct from manufacturer. Devices that are targeted exclusively for one country may apply for an exemption. Okay. And you guys can check out this stuff right here if you guys want to. So I will have this link in the description box video. So check this out. So yeah, it's supposed to like it's supposed to, you know, just to get like regular updates and security updates and all that stuff, and this is for enterprise customers. So I don't know how this is gonna work, and I don't know if the current friends gonna get updated, or I don't know how that's gonna work. So yeah, man, this is interesting. What are y'all guys' opinions on this? And yeah, and now you're in the enterprise user, or whatever the hell that means. So, you know, I figured this is interesting. I figured I'd share it with you guys. If you guys find this video, you know, interesting, give it a thumbs up or whatever. You know, if you give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate that. So, please rate, comment, subscribe. But thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.